Ooh! Good morning, afternoon, or good night, everybody. This video has a little different backdrop. As you can see, we are out on one of Idaho's many rivers. We're fly fishing today. We are fly fishing for trout. There are bull trout in here. There are rainbow trout in here. And there are brown trout in here. So we're fly fishing out here. Figured I'd bring you guys along with me. This is pretty much what the channel's about, laid back living. It doesn't get much more laid back than this. So join us as we float down this river and see if we can get some action. Oh, I snagged him, damn. Oh, what's that one? About 11, nice fish. And he's gone. Take a look at that cedar tree. Fell over and just started growing up.
There's not that many fish. You want to land that baby.
Oh yeah, there it is. I don't know if maybe I snagged him and that's why. Let's see. I can't tell what I got here. Alright. It looks to be maybe almost 15, 14 and a half. Oh, there he goes. These little boats we're in are pretty cool. These are little one-man pontoon boats. And my grandpa has rigged up some steering. Here's the steering lever here, and the steering lever here. So you just steer with this. And you got a little electric motor on the back that he's rigged, so you got your forwards and backwards right here at your hand. And the prop is down there. These boats come with a little motor mount. So it works pretty good to zip all over the river. Oh, let's see, that is about, oh, what, 13 and a half. I don't know where that other hook is. I don't want to play that game. All right, little guy, back you go. Cool. I think that's like 3 or 4. Oh, didn't get him in.
This one?
Net in hand, pulling them in. Ooh! This guy, he's feisty. Oh! Man, this thing doesn't feel very big, but it's putting up a good fight for its size. Don't want him in those rocks. Got 2 clicks reverse. Slow us down. And then that. So that's a 16-incher for sure. That's a nice fish. Beautiful fish. We'll put it back. Quit squirming. See if I didn't lose him. That little guy on. Oh yeah. Oh, let's see, that's about 16, 15, 16. Nice fish. Try to get the hook out if he quits flopping. 34. Alright guys, well that about does it for today. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe down at the bottom. And we'll see you next time.